This cool Mist Cloud Baby Humidifier. Night Light AC Power Adapter. Cleaning brush, industry-leading 5-year warranty, caring customer support 7 days a week. And the peace of mind that comes from a trusted brand with millions of customers worldwide. Our unique patent-pending cloud design is a parent-tested, parent-approved winner June 2019 and complements any nursery decor, playroom, or kid's bedroom. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Powerful mist output. Cool Mist Humidifier lasts up to 24 hours with a variable mist control knob to incrementally adjust moisture output to meet you and your baby or child's comfort level. Number 2. Color choice technology. Night Light rotates through 8 rainbow spectrum colors or uses color choice technology to select your favorite color. Light and mist control buttons operate separately so you can choose how you want to use it. Number 3. Easy Clean Water Tank. Baby Humidifier has a large water tank opening that makes it easy to hand wash the inside of the tank to keep it clean and sanitized. Number 4. Round-the-clock moisture. Spacious cloud-shaped water tank mists up to 24 hours on low and up to 15 hours on high, making it the perfect all-day solution for eliminating dry air. It has excellent coverage for rooms up to 250 square feet. It holds 1.8 liters of water and is easily hand-washed. Number 5. Soft Glow Night Light. Features color choice technology that allows you to pick your favorite color or rotate between the following colors: red, orange, yellow, green, or blue, purple. Number 6. Variable mist output. Rotating mist control knob incrementally adjusts moisture output to meet your comfort level. Just turn clockwise to increase the output and counterclockwise to decrease the output. Emits up to 120 milliliters per hour. Number 7. Auto Safety Shut Off. Our ultrasonic cool mist humidifier automatically turns the humidifier off whenever the water tank is low or empty to prevent safety hazards and keep your child safe. Number 8. Alleviates dryness, moisturizes the air to help prevent dry skin, chapped lips, and nasal congestion. Number 9. Grows with you. Cute and practical cloud-shaped design grows with your child and is perfect for adults too. Number 10. Encourages better sleep, helps prevent dry airways and snoring, which can interrupt restful sleep, and so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.